Hey y'all, I am gonna go ahead and do a video letting y'all know exactly how the retention is with Novalash glue because people have been asking me this a lot. So this is from me using Novalash for the past like 3 years pretty consistently. This is what I'll say about the retention. For the price, $135 price, they upped their price of their glue $5. So it's not $130 anymore, it's $135. For $135, I believe that you can find a glue that you will get retention between 4 to 6 weeks somewhere else, because it's just, for most people, it's not the best decision, the best glue to use financially, especially if you're starting out, because it is so expensive. And this glue is still only gonna last you like a month and a half if you're pretty busy. So there's not any extra glue in it. It's a regular 5 milliliter bottle. Now, as far as the retention goes, most of my clients schedule their fills within 3 weeks, and most of them come back with a good amount of lashes on. I do have clients, a few that do 4-week fills and some that even push it past 4 weeks. Now, when they come in, do they still have lashes on? Yes. Is it a whole lot of lashes? No. So the maximum amount of retention that I've seen is about 8 weeks retention, but that's with a few lashes left, like barely anything. 4 to 6 weeks, I've seen clients come back and I've been like, wow, I'm shocked they still have a good amount of lashes on. With that being said, I do have a few clients who within 2 weeks, they've lost half their lashes, and it's like that consistently. So I'm convinced that it has something to do with their aftercare. But what I would say is you can give Novalash retention a good solid, probably 4 to 6 weeks. If someone is taking care of them correctly, if you're applying the lashes correctly and all of that. And I do notice that my clients who have classic lashes, their retention is the best out of them all. And they can actually go more than 3 weeks and they've barely lost any lashes. So that's my final answer on that. That is how the retention has been for me. So with that being said, if you're getting Novalash because you think it's going to give you some amazing retention, better than any other lash glue, it's all still going to depend. It's going to depend on your client. It's going to depend on you, your application, your lashes, and all of that. So that's all I have for you today. Any more Novalash questions, please let me know down in the comments, and thank you for watching my video.